Hey guys, what's up? Today I'm going to show you how to change your master brake cylinder, your brake master cylinder, which is going to be right there. So right here, you're going to have a plug right here, just right here. You need to unplug that, and also you need to take off these two right here, 1, 2, and also take that one down there off right there, and another one right there off. All right, and it will come out easy. And if throughout this process you manage to get brake cleaner on your car, you want to stop what you're doing immediately and rinse it off for your car. Do not wipe it off, rinse it off and dry it. All right, so let's get to it. So first thing first, I'm going to take this off right here. Right here gonna be 12mm, so you can use a wrench, open end wrench, to take this off. All right, but I'm gonna make some space to work because my hand can't really get down in there. All right, so you want to flip these up, get that up, get this out of there, take out your filter, and take out this screw right here, take out this one right here, and take out this one back here, because we're trying to make space, and pull this out. All right, and this is gonna give you a lot of space to work right there. Alright, space for days. Alright guys, so right there, I take those two off right here. So just to pull them out. And make sure you put something underneath the car to catch the brake fluid. So I pull that one out right here. Do the same thing for right here. Pull that out too, and I'm gonna get those two screws around it, 2 nuts down here, and the plug. All right, so I just want to get it loose somewhere I can get the plug. All right guys, so I get one nut right there and the other nut at the bottom gone. These are out, so you just want to pull it back on this and that give you access to this. You want to squeeze this right here and unplug it. I'm gonna need my 2-1 to unplug it, but you see after you unplug this, it come out with it. All right, so now that's unplugged. Just gotta come out with it. There's just these holding it right here. Alright. The reason why I'm changing it is because it was causing the brakes to lock up. It was locking all 4 tires, so I needed to replace this. So I'm going to replace it and put the new one in. Alright, so this is the new one right here. You're gonna need to bleed it first before you put it in, so you don't need to add some brake fluid to it, and the brake fluid it take is that DOT3, which I have a DOT3 right here. So I'm gonna add it and bleed it. Alright, so guys, I'm just checking in to let you know this is where I'm at so far. You just need to run these in, screw this in, put this on this, bring it all the way up here, bring it all the way down, and plus you got to remove the strainer outside of the from out here. So you remove that strainer right there. You're gonna have it like this. I turn it in with my hand, and then when my hand couldn't turn it in, all the way. I turn it in with the pliers to bring it in more. And now what I'm gonna do is just add fluid to it and pump it until I see no more air going through the system. No more air going through the system, alright? See where the fluid is right here, so I need to add more so it can come up. Alright, so guys, after you add fluid in it, the fluid is all the way up here, as you can see it move. You want to push in this until no more air in here. I already bleed it, but I'm just showing you what to do. You might want to push it, but it might be hard, so you just want to rock it up and down until it go in, and you pump it like this, alright? You're going to pump the fluid from here all the way back into here, and that way it's going to pump out all the air in the system, alright? In the master cylinder. Alright, so that's it. We're going to install it just like this, and I know this is like a messy process, but try your best not to make sure no brake fluid touch your paint on your car. Alright, if you touch it, go ahead and rinse it off. So what I'm going to do is dry this off first before I install it. Alright, so I want to put it in just the way, just like this, and try not to throw away the brake fluid. And you can kind of move these out the way like this and get it under there and up in here like that. Alright, so there you go. That's the first step. You want to go ahead and plug your wire back in under here. Alright, there you go. You want to plug that back in right there and tighten that. And so let's do that. I'm gonna plug the wire in first and catch the nuts on the brake booster. Alright, there you go. You just want to rack this out like this, spin it out, get this out. Some fluid gonna leak, but you can't stop that. And put this in there, lock that into place, and you want to screw it all the way in. So once again, I tighten these in the back, one right here, and I catch this right here. And these two down there is 30 millimeter, and this right here is 12 millimeter. So same thing I did for that, I'll do the same thing for this right here. Alright, so screw this out, put this in, screw this in. Then you want to use a 12 millimeter and tighten it all the way. Alright, so you want to raise the car up and put your jack stand safety first. And come back here and pull this right here. You want to come right here and pull that off, and I'm going to show you what to put there so you can bleed your brakes by yourself. Alright, and I'm on my second brake fluid bottle, so So guys, if you remember to check your paint, if any brake fluid touch it, and wash it off immediately. Alright guys, so this is all that you need. So make sure you connect that right there, and you bring this all the way down. And to loose this, I didn't have any 7mm wrench, so I have a 7mm socket. So I take this off and I loose it enough where I can let it run a little bit, but I can turn it with my hand to stop the flow. So that's what you're gonna need to do. So you're gonna turn it to open it so the flow, you can see it's moving. Then you want to pump the brakes. Alright, now watch it go in. And when the fluid stop running, that's when you know you're good. Alright guys. Yo, what's up? I meant to say when the bubbles stop forming in the holes like that, the air bubbles. So I still have air in the system. I'm gonna pump it some more, but this is just to demonstrate, to show you what I'm doing. So when you get all those bubbles out of the system, you lock it tight, and then you take it off, and then you tighten it back up with that. All right. So I'm gonna do this for all the wheels, and so that's how you do that. So and the next thing, you want to make sure you have enough fluid in. You want to make sure you have enough fluid in here. Never let it go empty. All right, because you're just gonna add more air to the system. And this is my second bottle, so each bottle I add, I will let you know, and I will try to give you a total at the end, so you know how many brake fluid to get for your Versa. All right. So yeah, tighten this way. Put this back, and after you add your filter, this filter is dirty, so I'm gonna tell the customer they need a filter, but I'm gonna put it back until they get the filter. All right. Lock them into place and add your fluid. Make sure it's at the correct mark right there. And yeah guys, it takes like 3 bottles to get this job done. And after that, you want to pump the brakes, start the car, pump the brakes some more, and then go for a test drive and see if the wheel lock up. All right. So pump the brakes up some more. Got good pedal right here. Crank the car up. Pump the brakes up some more. Have good pedal also. Alright, so let's drive the car and let's see how it goes.